I am naked, and my life is naked too. I lived wearing clothes. I lived behind a mask. Which was more expensive, the clothes or the man? I did not know. Having lived disguising myself with clothes, I became them, and thus could not find my naked self. Nirvana, there is nothing to it. To die means to enter nirvana. Nirvana is when the body and mind die. It is when one abandons his useless clothes, but feels no embarrassment in his nakedness. That is nirvana. I had lived not knowing this. To live life, but not be in it. To exist, but not be existent in it, means to have entered true nirvana.